Welcome back to the new YouTube channel Car. Mid-size sedan sales may not be as strong as they once were, but that isn't stopping Honda from bringing in the all-new Accord into the ASEAN region. Unveiled at the 2018 Thailand International Motor Expo, the 10th generation Accord adapts most of its looks from the US spec model. There is, however, one minor change. The Thai spec Accord ditches the amber corner lights in exchange for clear units. Other than that, the looks are largely based on the spec X variant with its 17-inch alloys, chrome strips from the front to the rear, trunk lip spoiler, and LED headlights. This being the model sold in Thailand, it is likely that the exterior design will be either similar to or exactly the same as the one to be offered for the Thai market. 3 engine specs will be offered over in Thailand. It starts with a 1.5-litre i-VTEC turbo engine sourced from the Civic. However, unlike the Civic, the turbocharged 1.5-litre mill makes more power at 194 PS, compared to the Civic's 172 PS rating. Replacing the V6 model is a new 2.0-litre unit, also turbocharged. Essentially a detuned version of the one found in the Civic Type R, the one used in the Accord makes 256 PS. The 1.5-litre is paired to a continuously variable transmission, while the 2.0-litre gets a 10-speed automatic. But the main highlight is the hybrid model, which was displayed during the show. Dubbed as a sporty hybrid, it has what Honda calls intelligent multimode drive or IMMD. The result is a power output that's higher than the one found in the 1.5-litre turbo Accord. With its electric motor and engine working together, the Accord Hybrid produces 212 PS. But perhaps the biggest innovation in the Accord Hybrid is the fact that it doesn't use a conventional transmission. Instead, it has a single-speed direct drive system which sends power straight to the wheels without the need for a transmission. That said, there isn't a high chance of the hybrid model making its way to the Philippines. However, what is more certain are the 2 turbocharged engines. If you're a fan of mid-sized sedans, you might have to wait a little bit longer for it to arrive here. The 10th generation Accord will hit Thai showrooms early next year, so it might arrive here towards the latter half of 2019. Thank you for watching. For the follow-up, subscribe to the channel yourself here.